How to fix incorrect password error on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you are facing incorrect password error on Instagram, you will have to simply reset it. All you have to do is get have your email linked to it and get have the access to that email. After that, the problem and then you will see bunch of options. Among them, what you will have to do is search for I can't log in. Then you will see an option recover your Instagram password. Drag this down. And then it will give you the option or the methods or the process that you can follow to reset your Instagram password. So, first, click on forgot password and then enter your username, email, or phone. Then click send login link. Click OK and then a link will be sent either to your email or your phone to help reset your password. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.